Hello, I am Mitchell. I am an electronics engineer here at Streamlight, and today we're going to do a Wedge XT battery replacement. Included in the Wedge XT battery replacement kit is a battery, seal, tweezers, and a hex wrench. The first step of the battery replacement is opening up the flashlight body. You can remove the 4 screws using the included hex wrench. Make sure it's fully seated in the top of the screws prior to putting pressure. And remove the top shell. With the body open, take care not to touch the white thermal paste on the LED. The next step is to remove the seal from the battery compartment. To do this, we take the tweezers and stick that in between the battery compartment and the seal. Slide the tweezers around the edge of the compartment, careful not to touch the battery or the electronics. After the seal has been broken, remove the battery from the battery compartment. Pull the wire towards the front of the body and the connector should pop free. Be sure to properly dispose of your battery. You can use the back of the tweezers to scrape away the adhesive. We will be plugging in the battery connector into the board connector here. Make sure the red wire is facing towards you. You want to grab as close to the battery connector as possible with the tweezers and then wiggle it around and it should pop right in. We'll place the battery inside the compartment. We'll make sure the wires are tucked inside the battery compartment. You can just push the wires down into the cavity here. You can remove the seal adhesive protector. Be careful not to touch the seal. Also remove the battery adhesive protector. With the adhesive protectors removed from the seal, orient the seal over top of the battery as shown. Once the seal is against the battery compartment, take the back end of the tweezers. Make sure the whole seal has been pressed firmly around the outside. Take the second half of the body and place it on the flashlight. Flip the light over and you can install the 4 screws that you set aside earlier. For more information about our Wedge XT or any of our other products, check the description below or visit our website.